My name is Malachi Richardson, and I'm from Maryland. That's where I came from, but I was actually stationed in Nellis 3 years ago when I found the opportunity here at Learning Alliance. So the programs that I took here were the only courses that were available, which was BDI, BFDI, and BWDI. And my experience here has been phenomenal. Learning Alliance has exceeded the majority of my expectations, and they just provide you with the knowledge, experience, and the certifications to hit the ground running within the telecom industry. My life did a complete 180. I was unemployed. I was at the lowest point in my life last year when I received the opportunity to come here and try to learn to become a tower technician. I didn't know much about it, but the opportunities that it has provided for me have been unmatched. The room for growth and just the family that you build here at Learning Alliance, it's something that I never would have anticipated for myself within this year, and I'm forever grateful for this company. So I intended to get into the cyber field initially as a career. I was unaware of how vast telecom actually is and how in demand they are for bodies, for employers, for just new staff. It's setting me up essentially so I can provide for my family, I can provide for myself, and it'll give me financial stability that I need and that I'm looking for within this year. Hey, come on up, come on down to Learning Alliance. They are amazing. Just the staff, the instructors, the director of operations, even the president, the CEO himself, they are all hands-on. They all know who you are by name. They see your face. They take the time to really get to know you in order to better set you up with a job or any other company that will best suit your needs. Come on down. There's only one word, and this is family. Everyone here is amazing, just absolutely amazing. They put in the time. They actually care about who you are, what you want to do, and they do try to accommodate to all of your needs, but they do want to also see you strive for success and push yourself outside of your comfort zone. So there is work that needs to be done on your half, but they'll be sure to follow up and make sure that you get where you need to. I just have to say thank you to Learning Alliance. It sounds super cheesy, but without them, I would not be where I am today. And this is just the beginning of nothing but an amazing year and amazing career within the telecom industry.